This video will show you how create fade in and fade out effect in CapCut PC. First, I added video on the timeline. Click on the blend section. Add a keyframe to the beginning of the video and set the opacity to 0. Then move forward a bit on the timeline and set the opacity to 100, and you've created a fade in effect. Now set somewhere before the end of the video and add another opacity keyframe. Then go to the end of the video and set the opacity to 0 to create a fade out effect. I will show you how to use this effect on text as well. Click on the text section, then on plus, which will add text to the timeline. First of all, set the present style according to what you like the most. Personally, I prefer this distinctive yellow the most. Then scroll a little lower and you will find the blend section. Use exactly the same procedure as for the video. Add an opacity keyframe with 0 opacity jump forward on the timeline and set the opacity to 100%, and you have a fade in effect on the text. If you want to make a fade out effect, you will have 100% opacity on the first keyframe and 0% on the second. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.